Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to warn you all that I'm really awkward in camera, so be prepared for that. But as I promised on Instagram, I made this video for all of you that want to learn on how to use the Revlon brush blow dryer. For me, it works amazing and I highly recommend it. I got a lot of comments on no, it doesn't work, yada yada. I want you to know that it also depends on the texture of the hair. A lot of you asked me if I have any product in my hair, and the answer is no, I do not. I do have coarse thick hair, so my hair behaves in any way that I want. What I do is I go section by section, so first things first, I'm gonna put my hair up. Have a clip or something, that would be great. I cannot find my clip, so I'm using a scrunchie. Turn it on into high power. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but anyways, you turn it on and you grab one piece at a time. It's super easy. You guys can see, so basically that's how you do it, and you go all over your head. So I'm gonna go ahead, gonna do the whole head. So now we're going to proceed in another section, and we're going to untie our hair, tie it up again once we release another portion of our hair, and then we're going to do basically the same thing. It is really important, like extremely important in controlling the freeze. You want to make sure that the hair is completely dry from the roots down. Do not leave the roots undried, because that's going to cause freeze in your hair and it's not going to look as silky or as smooth as it would look if you actually blow dry it really nicely from the root down. So that's a tip. If you have trouble in creating this wave, you can then maybe add a little bit of mousse towards the end of the hair, so when you blow dry it, it actually holds rather than going back to flat. Again, I do not have that problem, but I know that some of you might. Therefore, I suggest that putting a little bit of mousse in the hair will help with the longevity of the curl. So now I'm going to fast forward it, but basically this is what you do all over your hair. Just make sure that you Dry them completely before you proceed to the next section. So this is it. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did like it, put the thumbs up and please subscribe. Bye.